Hey everybody, Tanya Atomic here, and today I'm unboxing Medusa's makeup. This is Medusa's makeup, cruelty-free and vegan makeup subscription for March of 2020. In here is a little brochure talking about some of their new things, including this electro palette, which I am interested in. Some other new items too. Here's a coupon for free travel size mascara. And here is, oh, Spring Break 2020. That is the theme for this box. Tells you what's on the back, and I'm not going to look, but I am going to look at the total box value. It's it's $56.95. The box is about $16. It's about $16. Inside, everything is wrapped in tissue. And let's get into the box. It also is wrapped in bubble wrap here. So the first thing is Disco Queen lip gloss. I love these lip glosses. I use these lip glosses quite a bit. They're very pretty and they smell like vanilla cake. Vanilla frosting. And this one is Funky Town. It's sort of a dusty pink, shimmery pink. And I will go ahead and swatch it here on my hand. Oh, it's like a light pink, this one. I have something else here, sorry. That's pretty. That's pretty. And then we also have 3 more items. We have 4 items in total. We also have matte eyeshadow here. I have a lot of their single shadows. This is in the color Jamaica. Oh, I just stuck my thumb in there. Oh my gosh. Well, I will use that part to swatch with. Okay, their shadows are really, really soft. They're not creamy per se, but they are very soft. And so it's that kind of light tan color. And I think that'd be a really good transition shade. We also have this Aloha, I think it's a roller perfume. Yeah. Oh, that smells good. Perfume roller. And the last thing, Galactic eyeliner. A black eyeliner here. That looks nice. So that's everything in today's bag. Yeah, I like it. Good stuff. That's it for today's video, for today's unboxing. Thanks for watching.